DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. Okay, I got my first pipe here. Look at that. 27.5 inches, but a little bit longer so I can grind it. And these things have to have a certain hang point. And in this case, it's always 22.4% of the total length down. So in this case, it's 6 3/16. So we're going to put it right there. Hang on, I got to get my glasses. Okay, so I measured 6. I did this with the, there's 6 and there's 3/16. I actually did it with my gap gauge. So we're actually right there. So we're going to punch a hole there. There we go. And we're going to put I'm going to go 1/16. And I'm going to make a spreader here that I can support this with. The critical part will be making it the same on the other side and making sure I'm 90 degrees out, you know. So we're going to drill this one. I'm going to set up the drill. And I guess I'm going to make some kind of a support here because there's going to be more than one. I mean, there's actually going to be, what do we got here? 6 of them. So I'm going to support this and make sure it's level and everything. Ooh, that's too tall. Okay. I think I got something else here. Anyway, let me find something that's the right height. Okay, that's just right. It's even got a groove in it. Using the D-box. Needs to be a little bit higher. So, spacer here. Let's try this. Might be too high. Yeah. I'm gonna get just the right thing here. Let me look around. What's this? I got something here that looks about right. Maybe a little bit thinner, but I think that's pretty close to 90. And we're going to drill this hole here. Okay, I want to make sure I get this other hole on the other side exactly opposite. So I'm going to try to get this right on top and then make a mark down here. A long mark, not the short mark. And then transfer that. So it's actually here. Now I'm going to measure 6 3/16. I think it's actually a little bit less than that. Yeah, between 2/16 and 1/16. So just a little bit after 2/16. Which would make it right about Right about there. Nope. Right about there. Right about there. I don't know how exact this has to be, but this fucking thing doesn't work half the time. Okay, let's drill it. Oh, way off. Right. Well, that's as close as I can get it. Now I'm making this thing. So I made it a little bit long because some of them are going to have to be 8 inches in. So that fits there. So I got to make this one exactly. Bend it. Cut it. I'm hoping this sounds pretty amazing, you know? I need to bend these. Let's see if this works. Can't see shit. That's gonna be fun. Not enough light yet. Try for this end. I don't have enough light. Need to bend this more. It needs to spread out, so I gotta open it a little bit. There. Right about there. I gotta wait for more light. I can look in here and find out where the hole is. 'Cause I can't see it right now. Oh. I have to turn it a little bit too. Shit. There's a burr on the inside. Fuck. Okay, I got him in. I just went in there and knocked that burr down, with this file. And then it just seemed to go in. So now I can suspend this. So let's do that. It slipped out. There it goes. Okay, it's suspended. Look at that. Now I gotta tune it. I might have to bend these some more. And the way to tune it is to grind stuff off of here because it's kind of long and get the frequency just right. I gotta get an app that measures frequency. Alright, let me work on that. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose.